How to trim a sound on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the plus button at the bottom. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Add Sound at the top. You'll find different sounds. Click on the sound you want to add. Then beside that, you'll find scissor-like option. Click on it. Now you can slide it right or left to trim the video or the sound. Press on done and you can make video in the sound you trimmed. After that, you're good to go. You can simply press on next and post your video. This is how to trim a sound on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.